We are in the middle of a pond. This is Jenny.
Hello.
This is me. We are on a pedal boat in, I don't know,
In the middle of an ocean.
yes, it's very deep right here. If you don't believe it's not, whatever. This is our beautiful view everywhere. Yeah, this is Jenny's house. Do you see it? Already here. Yeah, that right there. That right there is Jenny's house. Oh, I want to say hi to our buddy that helped us get out here. Okay, do you see him? This little figure right there.
Oh,
Do you see him moving? Yeah, that's him. What's his name?
Josh.
His name is Josh. Oh, nice. Alright. See our feet? We're pedaling. We got our pedal boat and we're just floating here.
Yep.
Whoa, are we moving?
Yeah, we're turning.
We're turning that way. Like we're just floating here.
Let's see. Can you see us? Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Oh, look at our buddies coming to say hi. See him? He's little. For now.
Oh God.
Let's look in the water. Oh.
You guys hurry up, I can take you on the trail.
What do you mean on the trail?
4-wheeling?
Four-wheeling?
Yeah.
Seriously?